For mouth sores, gargle warmly with yogurt herb tea. Gargling with sage is good for tonsillitis, to remove excess mucus in the nose. Warm sage is inhaled into the nose. If you put a few drops of juniper oil in warm water and drink it sips, it is good for bad breath. Chewing cress seeds also eliminates bad breath. If bad breath is caused by a bruise in the mouth, use 30 to 40 drops of myrrh tree extract. Gargle frequently by dropping the drops into warm water. Wormwood tea is good for rusty tongue and bad breath. The belief that wormwood is beneficial for everything is completely wrong. On the contrary, it should be used sparingly. For example, only half a spoon can be put into a cup of tea, provided that it is not full. Let's not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the videos to support us. Do not forget to express your suggestions and opinions in the comments. I wish you a healthy day.